Okay, so in this video, we're going to look at how we can use Video Content Edge for educational, informational, motivational kind of videos, etc. Okay, so first of all, you can see I'm in Andrew Huberman channel. Now, the problem with Andrew Huberman's channel is that he's got videos that are often more than 2 hours. But if you scroll down, you'll be able to go and find some videos that are not too long, that are focused on one small thing. So this is perfect for what we want to do. If you want to be able to sort of generate content within a niche that you can produce very quickly. Okay, it can work with longer videos. It's just going to take longer to process. So I'll copy the link address here. And this one is about avoiding distractions and doing deep work. So I can come over into Traffic Thief and I'll go into the Video Content Edge tool, create a project, and I'll call this one Huberman. And I'll choose Google Gemini Ultra, save. Okay, now we can click on view, generate the article outline, and we can put in as many as we want here for the URLs. Again, I'm going to keep it positive and uplifting, actually uplifting for this one. Number of headlines I'll keep to 4 and generate an FAQ. And we will choose one image, add videos, generate the outlines. Okay, very quick, very easy. Once you start using it a couple of times, you will see that you can move in and out very, very quickly. And don't forget that you can put in multiple video URLs and it will create one article for every single video URL that you add. Okay, now there's other things that we can do with this as well. I'm not going to show you again how to add the videos into Video Content Edge, but I'll just give you some examples of what we could do. Okay, so Tony Robbins, motivational kind of videos, self-development kind of videos, there's a ton of content on these type of channels, and it's a massive, massive niche. Now, it's not just for search engine optimization. Okay, the beauty of this system is that you can put this content into social media platforms, into Facebook pages. Now, when you put a piece of content into a Facebook page, the competitiveness becomes less relevant. Okay, and the key to it is being consistent. Okay, so it's taking a piece of content, posting it in there on a regular basis. Okay, now you can do the content part very, very quickly. You can simply copy and paste, put it into a Facebook page and get an assistant to do that multiple times a day and start to build your audience that way as well. Okay, the quickest and easiest way to drive traffic is from Facebook ads. So if you take this content and you put it onto your website, like a WordPress site, okay, and then you create simple images, call to action type of images, and you run Facebook ads. What a lot of people are doing now is they're just creating just simple text with colored background that is asking an important question that the article answers. Okay, and they're driving traffic with Facebook ads at very, very low cost, sending that traffic over to the WordPress sites, and they're making more money because they are using ad networks, kind of like AdSense, but there's many of them. There's Mediavine, there's Rapture, etc., etc. There's a whole Raptor. There's a whole lot of them that you can use. Okay, Mediavine seems to be the preferred choice with the niche marketers, and a lot of the niche site builders that relied on SEO until the recent algorithm updates, they have started to pivot over to Facebook pages to do this strategy. And if you follow them on Twitter, you will see a lot of success stories of people doing exactly that kind of strategy. But the beauty of it is, and I will reiterate this because it's very, very important for you to understand, that when it comes to these kind of niches, the competitiveness doesn't matter. It's actually in your favor if you are doing that, because the niche is so big that all we need to do is drive traffic to the page. We're not thinking about Google algorithms. Okay, it's just a fast way to be able to drive traffic from Facebook to your website. Okay, and that way you can make ad revenue. Okay, you can make money from AdSense type of ads. Okay, so very quick, very easy way that you can generate traffic very, very quickly. And a lot of people are doing it. Okay, so You can do this with educational videos, informational videos, breaking news. You can do a breaking news Facebook page, for example, and just use those simple images. I'll put some examples underneath this video on the tutorial in the tutorials area so that you can see how other people are doing it. Okay. And I'll put a link to some Twitter threads as well that you can see their case studies and how they are doing it. And another way that people are doing and driving a lot of traffic to the websites without using SEO is using simple images on Pinterest as well. That is driving a lot of traffic. There's some very, very good new courses that have just came out that is detailing every step of the way to do that, so that people are not reliant on the Google search algorithm, which is very, very volatile right now for niche sites. It seems to be okay for other kind of sites like local marketing, etc., but for niche type sites, it's very volatile. But I do expect it will come back to some kind of normalcy at some point, but who knows when. Okay, so always be looking for alternative traffic sources. Okay, always be looking for different ways that we can use our content to get traffic from other places. It's not just SEO, it's not just Google. There's very, very simple and quicker processes that you can use by using Facebook, Pinterest, and the user-generated content sites, which will rank very, very quickly. Reddit, Quora, LinkedIn, Pulse, Medium.com, etc. All of those drive traffic very, very quickly because Google ranks them very quickly. Okay, so even Facebook pages can rank, and Pinterest pins, they can rank as well. And those user-generated content sites at the moment are getting huge amounts of traffic from these recent Google algorithm disruptions. So we might not like what Google is doing, but we can always spot opportunities whenever they do something so that we can jump on it. That's really marketing 101. Okay, we've just got to be able to find the loopholes and find the opportunities while they exist, jump on them, get traffic, make money. Okay, thanks.